Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to an episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Unfortunately, it's raining outside, so we thought it was a great idea to stay inside the vehicle and show you guys how to properly clean and protect your interior vinyl, rubber, and plastic. So to start off with, I already have my piece of tape down the middle. You guys can see, I'm gonna give you guys a before effect and after effect. To start off with, I already have my Boar's hair detailing brush, and I'll be pairing it using Nonsense Super Cleaner. Nonsense Super Cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner that's going to deeply clean the vinyl and plastic surfaces on my dashboard. So like this, whenever I apply a dressing like VRP, it's going to bond properly. So instead of spraying directly onto the dashboard, I could spray directly onto the dashboard, but I want to avoid overspray. I'll just spray directly onto my Boar's hair bristles. And then I'll go to the area I am cleaning and I'll just agitate it side to side. So as you guys can see, Nonsense Super Cleaner immediately starts to foam up. That is the reason, because it is cleaning and getting into deep grooves of this dashboard. So just clean it side to side. Spray a little bit more so I get the top. And after you're done cleaning, that is when you will proceed to apply your dressing such as VRP onto your dashboard. So just clean it thoroughly. And once you're done cleaning it, you'll get a clean microfiber towel. So you could go ahead and wipe off any residue, rip off any tags. So like this, I don't scratch or damage the surface. I'll wipe it one direction. Buff off any residue. So like this, by cleaning it using Nonsense Super Cleaner, I went ahead and cleaned it properly. It is now going to allow VRP to bond properly to the surface. So I'll be using VRP. The reason why I went with VRP is, one, it's a water-based dressing. A water-based dressing is going to not cause an oily feel to it. It's not going to cause a glare, and it's going to give it an OEM factory look to it. So just shake up the product, open up the spout. I'll get my microfiber applicator. I will apply 2 lines onto it. And now I'll go to the area I'm working on. I'll blotch it out, and I'll just work it inside to side. So how I like to explain this is VRP, it has UV protection on it. UV protection is going to avoid dashboard cracking. It's going to avoid discoloring. And like this, your dashboard lasts much longer, for much more longer, especially because this is a Ford Transit. This Ford Transit constantly goes on road trips. So we want to ensure the dashboard on this Ford Transit is fully cured, fully protected using VRP, and we also cleaned it up with Nonsense Super Cleaner. So after rubbing it on, VRP is a water-based dressing. Like I said, it is dry to a touch. It is not oily. It's not causing the glare. So if you do have any leftover, just grab a clean microfiber towel, buff off the residue. You remove the tape so you can see a 50-50. Let me just clean up the line real quick. And you guys can see a big before and after. Over here, it is dull. Over here, it is now protected. It looks straight from the factory. So like this, in 2 easy steps, I cleaned it and protected it. So guys, if you guys like this video today and you want to turn your dashboard from this to this, you can hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com, and you can pick up your products today. Remember guys, the products I used today was Nonsense Super Cleaner to clean it, and then VRP after to protect it. So guys, like I said, if you guys like the video today, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below on future videos, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.